Hello friends, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with, means this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC and D is any point on side AC, point D is on this side AC such that BC square is equal to AC into CD. AC into CD. This is given. This is total given. Now to prove that is we write BD is equal to BC. This is our to prove. Now with the help of this given information I will write this proof and this proof. See here, with this total information, now we have given this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC, and we have also given, means this is total given in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and we have given AB is equal to AC. We have also given BC square is equal to AC into CD. We use this given, that is BC square is equal to AC into CD. Now we split this square, means A square we write A into A, that way we write this BC square, means BC into BC is equal to AC into CD. Now we take this AC to the left side, therefore BC upon AC, and we take this BC to the right side, therefore this becomes denominator. This AC left becomes denominator, this BC goes to the right side and becomes denominator. Now this is our equation number 1. From this BC square is equal to AC into CD. Now in triangle BCD and triangle ACB. See here, BCD, this triangle, and ACB. In these two triangles we write this first. So what is BC upon AC is equal to CD upon BC. Now this is from equation 1. Equation 1 we write, this is reason. We have proved already BC upon AC is equal to CD upon BC. We have proved already and therefore we write this here reason, that is from equation 1. Now here see this, in BCD and ACB, in these two triangles, angle BCD congruent angle ACB, these are C, that is common angles means BCD same angle, ACB both are same, that is common angles. Therefore we write here triangle BCD similar triangle ACB by SAS test for similarity. We write this because of SAS test for similarity. See here, BC and CD, this BC and CD subtend this angle BCD. Same way AC and BC, same angle, they subtend same angle, and therefore we write SAS test. Now according to this we want BD is equal to BC. Now here we write BD here, BD upon AB. We write here BD, this BD upon AB, and here BC, see this BC, then here AC. This is because of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Because of this reason, we write corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, this is suppose equation number 1 and then this is equation number 2. I will write here 2. Equation number 2. And I will write here corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, we have given, see this, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Now, this is given. This is given. Now, we put this value of AB here. Value of AB, AC, we put here. And therefore, we obtain BD. Instead of AB, I will write there AC is equal to BC upon AC. Now here denominators are same, AC, AC. Therefore AC, AC cancel. Therefore our two proof, that is BD is equal to BC. This is our two proof. This is our two proof, that is BD is equal to BC. BD is equal to BC. Friends, like, share, subscribe my channel as well as press notification button too.